Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to make a basic outfit look good. Now, getting ready in the morning and getting dressed is a challenge that all women face. We all want to look cute, but sometimes we just don't know where to start. So what I'm going to do in this video is take a basic pair of white t-shirt and jeans, and some parts you'll see a plain black dress, and just show you how I do really easy little simple things to kind of take it up a notch, elevate the look, dress it up so that you're not looking so basic anymore. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and follow me on Instagram. I'm Naomi Boyer on Instagram, and let's get to the video. All right, now the first step in looking good, especially when trying to dress up a plain t-shirt and jeans, is to try new styles in jeans. Now, we all have those plain black or plain blue skinny jeans that we've had for years. That's pretty much a basic in everyone's closet. Nowadays, a lot of fresher, newer takes on jeans are really popular. For example, the straight leg jean or a crop flare jean, jeans that are semi-distressed, jeans with a raw hem. These different types of styles of denim, other than the plain old skinny jeans, is just one simple and easy way that you can completely change the whole look. Some of my favorites are the straight leg and the crop flare, just because the crop flare gives you a nice shape. I also love a high rise just because it elongates your legs. But again, just to reiterate, just getting out of your plain old skinny jeans or whatever type of jean you're so used to seeing yourself in over the years, just trying something new and different is already going to give you a new perspective. Now, if you want to take it up a notch again, get out of your jeans and try some trousers or try some pants that are not denim, but that have different textures and a different look. For example, leather pants. They're super edgy, they're shiny, these are appropriate for nights out, dinner time, maybe you're going to a fun concert, maybe you just want to look sleek and sassy. You can also pair your t-shirt with a midi skirt, like the satin ones that are super popular right now, or even just a pair of simple trousers, maybe with a bright pop of color or a checkered trouser. All of these looks you can easily dress casually, or you could add a heel to dress them up. All right, next tip to making any basic outfit look good is to make sure your t-shirt or whatever size top you're wearing fits you well. Now, we're going to take the t-shirt for example. If you're wearing a t-shirt that's a little bit too big and baggy, it's probably not going to flatter you the way a right fitting t-shirt would, but that's okay if you don't have the right fitting t-shirt. There are different ways that you can make it fit you better. For example, doing a French tuck, which I love. I pretty much do this with almost every top that I wear, where you basically tuck the front and you can let the back just kind of hang loose. Or you can just tuck your shirt all around. That's the first step to helping your t-shirt fit you and just look better and cleaner, especially with such a basic outfit. The second thing you can do is fold your sleeves. These two tips are things that I have mentioned. These are kind of like my rules to looking clean, proper, and polished. Again, if you are wearing a bigger t-shirt, folding your sleeves is just going to help elongate your arms and just pull the t-shirt together so that it's more flattering and not so baggy. Now, if you are wearing the right t-shirt, you can still do a French tuck and fold your sleeves as well. But just having the right fit is just automatically going to make your body look a lot better, as well as the clothes that you wear. All right, next tip is to make sure your hair is appropriate for what you're wearing. I believe having your hair done is always a thing you must do to just look good, to look put together. If you're dressed up all nice and you just roll out of bed, hair undone, it's not going to give your outfit justice. But wearing a nice outfit with nice hair is just gonna look completely polished all over. So for example, I'm wearing a t-shirt and jeans and my hair is already done with just some loose waves. Now that's fine, but again, I could do different things by adding some hair accessories like a headband to just kind of make it more summery, a little more casual. But doing your hair in different ways depending on what the occasion is, or if you're just kind of wearing it casually to run some errands, is always a nice distraction for a basic outfit. It kind of takes away from the fact that you are wearing such a basic outfit because your hair is nicely done. Now in this look, I also pull my hair back, sleek it to the side a little bit, and add some bobby pins, which are a trendy piece right now. This just adds a little more flavor to this t-shirt and jeans look. Now another tip is, besides adding hair accessories, adding accessories to your body, whether it's earrings, necklaces, or bracelets, is really going to bring that look to be a little bit more dressy. Adding jewelry, whatever it may be, will help the outfit shine. And depending on what kind of jewelry you're wearing, it fancies it up a little bit or a lot. Now you can also add a belt to any look, whether you're wearing a loose maxi dress or midi dress with a plain t-shirt and jeans. Any belt will break up the look, especially if you're wearing a white t-shirt and white jeans, which is totally fun and totally doable. Maybe a brown belt might help break it out nicely. Now my next tip, it's nothing new. It's to add a third piece or add some sort of jacket if the weather permits. Now here I wanted to add a blazer to this plain look. Adding a blazer to any t-shirt and jeans is going to allow you to look a lot more business casual. So if you're working in a workplace that allows that, you could definitely wear something like this. But again, you don't look too casual because of the blazer. For nights out, you can also dress it up by adding a black leather jacket. You can add a fun bomber jacket or really nice chunky cardigans over this look. But adding a third piece is something that I absolutely love, that I've talked about for years on my channel. It helps an outfit like this just look so much more complete. And then last but not least, you can just add any fun shoe. I'm showing you 3 ways how this outfit looks appropriate with flats, a lower block heel, and then a high heel. Having your hair done with a t-shirt and jeans allows you to wear a flat shoe, but you can still look nice and look like you are put together. And then obviously a block heel for someone that doesn't want to wear a high heel because maybe you're not doing something super fancy. So adding a block heel is definitely going to still be comfortable, and it's definitely going to just add a lot more cuteness to your outfit. And then of course the high heel for any occasion where you want to be a little more dressy. It can go really well with any type of outerwear that you add as a third piece, or it can completely fancy up a plain t-shirt and jeans so that you automatically don't look casual anymore. You look appropriate for any occasion that's kind of in between, not too fancy and not too casual. And of course, if you again wanted to dress it up where you do have to be somewhere a little nicer, you can just take the jeans off and pair your heels with some nice trousers. And of course, to finish the look off, you can just add any purse that goes. Now, I rarely just wear t-shirt and jeans, and if I do, I'm always layering it, like I mentioned, with a jacket of some sort. But if I were to wear a t-shirt and jeans, this is how I would wear it to make it look not so basic. Now, if you're also one of those people who doesn't really like to go for t-shirts, there are different ways you can dress up your jeans. Jeans are just a basic necessity that everyone has in their closet. It's your go-to when you're not in your work clothes. Now, a really great way to dress up your jeans and to move away from your t-shirt is to opt for different tanks or camisoles. Again, this is nothing new. This is something that I preach about, but these items are still basics, but they're gonna be a little more dressed up than obviously a t-shirt. I have a ton of different types of camis in different colors. The 2 most necessary colors to have when it comes to camisoles and tanks are obviously white and black. And then if you follow me long enough, you'd know to try to find somewhere in between. A nude or beige tank would do you very well. Also, an off-white, something that is not completely a super bright white, will help balance an outfit and will match with a lot of different colors that you already have in your closet. When I am wearing a tank and jeans, if I wear those 2 items alone, then I'm accessorizing with wearing jewelry. You can also add a belt and all the other things that I mentioned earlier, like accessorizing with your hair. But this is where the third piece or the outerwear piece comes into play hugely with me and my outfits. So just like with a t-shirt, switching it up with a camisole and then adding another piece to it, like a blazer or some sort of jacket in general, again, is gonna help make your outfit look complete. And this is something I always reach for after I throw on my tank and my jeans. I'm always looking for some outerwear piece. And then if that's too much for you, if outerwear pieces are something that you kind of lack and you still need to build, maybe you can opt for nicer blouses. So if you want to easily just dress up with your jeans as your basic piece, then this is a good time to try to invest in really nice blouses. Some of you may want to spend more money on nicer blouses or tops, and then some of you may still want to be budget friendly with these. Either way, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're in love with the blouse, I love white blouses. For me, in order to make something a little bit different so that it's just not so plain, I'll opt for a blouse that is off the shoulder or a blouse that maybe has some texture to it. That way it's a little bit different and not so plain, but it's still not a camisole or a t-shirt. And again, if you are a person like me who does like a lot of plain basic items, you will benefit from every now and then purchasing a good printed top. A nice subtle floral print, maybe with some subtle floral colors in it, something that's not too busy, crazy, or too loud, something that you might not get tired of really easily is something you may want to look for. These types of blouses definitely help you look like you have a great outfit. Again, they help dress up your jeans. You can pretty much use these items anywhere, and you can dress them up with whatever high heel you want. You can dress them down with whatever flat shoe you want also. Alright guys, that is it for this simple video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. Again, if you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing to my channel. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you want daily outfit inspirations, follow me on Instagram. I'm Naomi Boyer. Thank you so much for watching, spending your time with me. I'll see you in my next video.
I just wanna hold you.